Hello guys, today we are going to learn applications of basic proportionality theorem. So there are two applications. So the first application is the property of intercepts made by three parallel lines on a transversal. So the statement is here: the ratio of the intercepts made on the transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. So here I have taken three parallel lines, that is L, M and N, and here are my two transversals, that is X and Y, and they are cutting the three lines at X is cutting the three lines at points A, B, C, and Y is cutting the three lines at points P, Q, R. So we will write down the given data, that is line L parallel line M and parallel line N, and X and Y are transversals such that A, B, C and P, Q, R are collinear. So we have written down the given data. Now we will write down what we have to prove. So what this application tells that the two transversals cut the three lines in proportion, that is AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So we have to prove this. So we will write down to prove AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So now we'll do some constructions to prove this property. So what we have to do is we will join AR, or you can also join PC. Any one of these you can join. So I will be joining AR now. So join AR. So this is construction. So I am showing this with dotted lines. So what we have done in the construction, we'll write here: join points A and R. So now we'll prove this theorem. So we will consider triangle ACR. So we can see that line M is parallel to line N. So line M is parallel to the base of triangle ACR, and line M is cutting the triangle at 2 points, that is B and H. So we will write down that by BPT we can write that AB upon BC is equal to AH upon HR. So I have written down here. Now we will consider the other triangle, that is ARP. So in triangle ARP, again by using BPT, line M is parallel to line L. So line M is parallel to the base of triangle ARP, and it is cutting this triangle at points H and Q. So we can write down here RQ upon QP is equal to RH upon HA. So this is also by BPT. Now we will reverse this, that is we will write as QP upon RQ is equal to HA upon RH. So this is by invertendo, and from points 1 and 2 you can see that the RHS of both the points are the same, so LHS will also be same. So we have proved that AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So that's what we have to prove. So we have proved this. Okay, now we will go towards the next property, that is its statement is: in a triangle, the angle bisector divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. This property is also known as the angle bisector property. Angle bisector property. So we now have taken here a triangle ABC, and CE is the angle bisector for the angle ACB, and it is dividing the angle into equal parts, you can see here. So we will write down the given data. In triangle ABC, angle ACE is equal to angle BCE. Now what we have to prove is that it says that angle bisector divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. That is, angle bisector divides the opposite side AB in proportion to the ratio of the remaining sides, that is AC and BC. So we have to prove AC upon AE is equal to BC upon BE. That is nothing but AC upon BC is equal to AE upon BE. Both are one and the same. So to prove this, we have to do some construction. Now I will be doing construction. So what we have to do in construction, that we have to draw a line parallel to CE from point B. So I will draw a line parallel to CE with dotted lines. And extend AC up to where it cuts the line. So here is my point of intersection of the two lines. So this is the point D. We have drawn a line parallel to CE from point B, and we have extended AC such that it cuts the parallel line at point D. Now what we will write this in the construction. Draw line parallel to CE from point B and extend AC up to point D. Okay, now we will move towards proof. So first we will see, we know that CE is parallel to DB. So by basic proportionality theorem, we can write AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD. Since CE is parallel to BD and this CE line is cutting the triangle at point C and E. So we'll write down here, in triangle ABD, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD. Now this is by BPT. So what we have now we have got three things what we have to prove, that is AE, BE and AC. Just we have to prove that CD is equal to BC. Now we can see that CE is parallel to BD. So this angle is equal to this angle. So that is alternate angles. So CB is the transverse for the parallel line CE and DB, and this is Z. So this angle and this angle becomes equal. So I'll write here, since CE is parallel to BD, angle ECB is equal to angle CBD. Now this I'll name as 1 and alternate angles. The reason for this. Now again we can see that taking AD or AC as the transverse, this angle and this angle becomes equal because these both are the corresponding angles. Again we will write down angle ACE is equal to angle ADB. This will name as 0.2, and these are corresponding angles. From 1 and 2 we get that from 1 and 2 since angle ACE is equal to angle ECB, since CE is the angle bisector, these both angles are the same. So ultimately we get that angle CBD is equal to angle is equal to angle CDB. That is nothing but angle ADB is also angle CDB. So we have got these two angles. Now therefore our triangle CBD. So this triangle becomes an isosceles triangle because these two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle CBD becomes isosceles triangle. Therefore, we can write that the opposite sides to these angles are also equal. Therefore, CB is equal to CD. Now we will substitute this in this equation. Therefore, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD. That is nothing but AE upon BE is equal to AC upon BC. So we have proved the angle bisector property.